Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to take a quick look at AMD, one of my favorite companies, right? This is one of my top holdings in my portfolio. Unfortunately, yesterday the stock was down about 2%, and today pre-market the stock is down about 1.6%. So today's episode I want to do the following. First, I want to take a look what's happening. Why is the stock price down pre-market? So one bad news, but I also want to talk about three good news that are happening within the company. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit the thumbs up, make sure to hit the subscribe button, check out the pinned comment for a free Discord, free newsletter, and a lot of great investing links. So let's just jump right into it. First, overall not good or bad, but AMD does report their earnings on February 1st, 2022. I'm so excited. You guys know you will be able to catch it here. We'll most likely do either a live stream, and after the live stream I'll probably also do a quick 10-minute overview on earnings. This is a company I follow every quarter, and one I enjoy. Like I mentioned, one of my biggest winners and one of my biggest positions as well. So let's start off with the bad news, right? This is the main reason stock price seems to be down today. On January 20th of 2022, Piper Sandler lowers AMD to neutral from overweight, and they also decreased their price target to 130 from 140. And to me, I don't follow analysts, and I'm going to explain why in a few more. But this does cause some form of negative bearish sentiment to stock prices. Why stock price might be down pre-market. Again, very low volume pre-market, but still it could kind of push on for that kind of bearish sentiment throughout the day. But this is the reason why I don't trust analysts, right? We can see another analyst yesterday post that AMD is set to kind of modestly exceed Q4 estimates. And then you have another analyst on January 18th that did increase their price target to 150 to 145. So there's so many analysts all giving different answers. Always do your own due diligence. I believe AMD, very similar to this analyst, that AMD will modestly exceed Q4 estimates, but that's just because I do follow the semiconductor industry, and I've been looking at the other semiconductor earnings, and I can see the overall growth still being here for the semiconductor market. So I'm very, very bullish on AMD. So we can see that is the bad news. Analysts kind of pulled down the overall stock price. Let's take a listen to today's sponsor. I want to thank the Motley for sponsoring this video. Motley is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. You guys know I love finding new investing tools and resources to help me scout out new growth stocks. And right now I have a discount for one of my favorite services the Fool offers. Through the Motley Stock Advisor services, you get access to a ton of expert stock picks. Every month you'll get 2 new picks that are aimed at growing your wealth and to help you realize your financial goals. Stock Advisor's average stock picks have done amazing returns. If growing your money is something you'd like to do more of this year, you can visit fool.com/Jose Najarro or click on the link below for access to my special offer and decide if the stock advisor is right for you. Thanks again to the Motley Fool, and now onto today's video. Now, I did take a look already at one of the good news, and this analyst also kind of being a little bit bullish on AMD. The second thing I think is pretty cool for AMD is yesterday on January 19th, they did release new graphics cards, AMD Radeon Pro W6000 series. This is more for CAD performance and for workstations. Recently, they also did release their new kind of entry-level graphics cards as well. So we can see AMD continues to drop new products, which is what is needed during this time. The second thing is AMD on January 12th. This is one I haven't talked about. It's kind of recent, but not new. January 12th was about a week ago. AMD highlights growing cloud momentum with new Amazon EC2. So that means, what does that mean, Jose? So their new third generation AMD EPYC processor, which is their processors for data centers, was chosen to kind of increase the power, to be used in Amazon's EC2 instances. And this is something we've seen a lot of big cloud giants have been going into third gen AMD EPYC, and that's great news. I do believe this is one of the reasons the stock will continue to do well in earnings, and stock price can continue to go up. The third generation AMD EPYC has been adopted. It's one of their biggest adoption and continues to be adopted by big players. With third gen AMD, with the fourth gen coming, I believe later next year, I believe it's AMD is ready to kind of be a big player in this kind of data center clouding market. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick episode. Make sure to hit the thumbs up. Take care, see you next time, and hope you enjoyed the video.